How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is just going to be a quick video today. My brother just picked up some new exhaust, or I guess I should say ordered it. He's still in college, but he ordered it to Portland, just a Catback exhaust setup, and we're going to be throwing it on the car today. So I have the exhaust laid out down here. It is a Nameless mid pipe with a Nameless track pipe. So the exhaust is just a Catback setup. Right now he just has the stock mid pipe and Nameless axle back with 5-inch mufflers. So this will be moving up to a 3-inch mid pipe, 3-inch axle back, getting rid of the mufflers. So hopefully we'll make it a bit louder. I'm hoping it's a fairly smooth install today. It is only 4 bolts, but it's mostly just getting it to fit right and line up with the existing exhaust. So first thing to do is I'm going to pull the car forward. I'll do a cold start for you guys so you can hear the current exhaust setups. That way we can do it before and after. And yeah, then we'll get on with the install. Alright, so I just pulled the car forward. I did put the rear wheels up on some 2x4s. That'll just make it easier to jack up. I think the plan is to jack it up from the rear differential. That way it makes it easy to throw both of the jack stands under at once. Alright, so I got the car jacked up, just jacked it up in the rear diff, and then got the jack stands underneath. I always just put an extra set just in the front, just in case, just since we have them. I don't think I'll have to jack it up from the front at all to get to the exhaust. I think there should be enough room. So let's go ahead and start taking it off. So I just disconnected the 2 bolts between the mid pipe and the front pipe. I did have to jack up the front of the car. This thing is so low to the ground, I just couldn't fit under there with just the back jacked up. So went ahead and put the front end on jack stands, and that made it a lot easier to get the bolts. I'm going to try and disconnect the mid pipe. Just have the axle back still connected right now. I'm going to try and get it all off in one piece, but I may have to take the axle back off from the mid pipe to remove it, but we'll see. Gonna get the mid pipe off the hangers now, and we'll start from there. Just disconnected the axle back. That's just going to make it a bit easier to get the mid pipe off. There's going to be 4 hangers for the axle back on the BRZs, 2 on each side. They're pretty obvious to see. So I got the stock exhaust off. Once I got the car jacked up, it came off really quickly. It's only 4 bolts and a couple of exhaust hangers. It helps if you do have 2 people, so you don't drop the axle back on yourself, kind of like I did. But I have both of the exhausts laid out right now. Here was the current setup. So this was the stock BRZ mid-pipe paired with a Nameless axle back with 2 5-inch mufflers. This stock mid-pipe is, I think, maybe 2.5 inches. And then here's the new exhaust setup. This is a Nameless 3-inch resonated mid-pipe. And then that connects directly to the Nameless 3-inch track pipe. This Nameless track pipe, which will be the axle back, is going to be saving a lot of weight compared to this axle back that was on there before. All of this to that. So should be a bit louder and should help with some weight savings. So on the Nameless mid-pipe, there's this collar that connects the 2 pieces together. Don't tighten this all the way down. That'll allow you to rotate the pieces and get everything lined up. And then once everything's bolted down, you can tighten this piece. The nice part about the Nameless mid-pipe is this piece is free spinning. That's gonna make it a lot easier to get it lined up when we're bolting it into the front pipe. I got the mid-pipe tightened down. You can see right there where it hooks up. Time to tighten down this middle clamp and then the axle back, and we'll be good. I just got the middle collar piece tightened down, so the last thing to do is just the axle back. Alright guys, so the exhaust is finally installed. Got all of the bolts tightened down, got the gaskets on, got the exhaust on the hangers. Everything went on super smoothly. The Nameless parts are really high quality. They line up perfectly, they fit really well together. It just makes it easy to install. The exhaust looks super awesome on there, so I'll be excited to hear it. I especially like how it looks from the back. Just got this super clean tip sticking out. Nothing too fancy, but just looks super clean. It definitely sticks out a good amount, you can see there, but overall looks super awesome. Thanks so much for watching. That's going to do it for this video. I know it was just a short one, but just wanted to show the process of installing the Catback and kind of give an update to the BRZ. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.